Here we are at Giggle Ridge at Adventure Park, Cultus Lake. We're on hole number 3. Well, it looks pretty straightforward, doesn't it? We walk down here. It's a straight-on shot. Or is it? Let's find out. You guys stay right here. No, you don't stay there. There, you guys stay there. All right. Not enough weed. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Hard shot for number 2. Look at this trick shot. One-handed. Off balance. Here we go. Oh, no weeds.
Come on, Bo. Come on, Bo. Come on, Bo. Almost.
All right, 3. There we go. One-handed. That's a 3. Go ahead, Mom.
Let's put her in 2.
With authority.
Slam it.
Ball wins.
Let's move on to hole number 4.
Next time, keep an eye out for hole number 4. I thought I saw a bird go by.